Hey, my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal. Guess what? We're at summer camp, and it's gonna be awesome. And I am the official handyman of Camp Robinson here in South Carolina. First, let's wake up some campers. I got my trumpet. Let's go. All right, let's go.
How's a handyman that's got a plan. How's a handyman? If he can't fix it, no one can.
Oh, wow, my friends. We're having so much fun out here at camp. It's totally awesome. But you gotta be really careful because the wind blows and it can blow your trash all over the place. And we don't want to be litter bugs, right? Gotta take care of our environment. So we gotta come out here with our trash bag and our trash picky upper thingy. Oh, that's really, really cool. And let's pick up some trash, right? All right, so let's open up this trash bag here. Get it open. Oh, yep. All right, well, let's pick up some trash. Oh, we got some cups right here. There we go. Get it in the bag. Yep, there it is. Oh, we even got some ketchup packets. Oh, yep. Whoop. There we go. In there. Oh, got another cup. Some ketchup packets here. Oh, in the bag. See, this way I ain't got to bend down. Oh, yeah. In the trash it goes. That's awesome. All right, well, let's set this to the side. We're going to make sure we're going to get that in the trash can a little bit later. But what's really cool is we're out here picking up trash. We can take a really cool nature walk. We can see all the cool things in nature. Come on, let's go down to the lake and see what we can find. I got my really cool binoculars right here. Oh, yep. Oh, and you know what these are really cool for? Is you can see something way off, really up close. That's really cool, right? Oh yeah, let's see what we can find on this water. Let's see, let's look. Oh yeah, oh wow. Oh, I think I see an alligator. Oh, look at him. Looks a little scary. Oh no. Oh, that's totally awesome. Oh yeah, let's see what else we can find. Oh, how about up in this tree? Let's see what we can find. Oh yeah. Oh look, it's an owl. Oh, that's really cool. I wonder what the owl says. Moo, moo. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, let's see. Oh, look at that bush over there. There's a ladybug. Oh, and it's on a dandelion. Oh, that's really neat. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's a baby deer. We gotta be really quiet so we don't scare it away. Did you know a baby deer is called a fawn? It's really cool. So neat we get to see this. Squirrel. Oh, wow. Look over there. Oh, this was really cool. Look at that tree. Oh, that's one of my favorites. It's a tape measure lizard. Oh, wow. Look how long his tongue is. Ah, it's very rare seeing one of those. Oh, wow. Look at that. It's the famous Allen wrench bug. Oh, that's totally sweet. Oh, no. Look at that tree. I think it is. Oh, yes, it is. It is the elusive hammer hawk. Look at that. Isn't it very majestic? Oh, wow. Nature is totally awesome. We've seen some really cool animals out here today. Some of my favorites, like that tape measure lizard. It's totally cool. Well, let's go finish picking up some trash and litter on this campground. Let's go. Come on. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow, my friends. We're having such a fun time at camp. So much fun. We broke the zip line, but that's okay. Because Handyman, he has a plan. We're gonna install a brand new zip line. How awesome is that? And all our campers, they're really excited. Even our counselors are. I'm kind of excited too, so let's get to it. Oh, this is an awesome tree to do it at, right? It's a really cool tall pine tree. It's a pine tree, look. See, we got pine cones. That's how you know it's a pine tree. So we got this one here, and we got one way over there. And we're gonna connect them together and make a zip line. Cool, look at all these cool things we got. Oh, check all this stuff out. Oh, well, this is what we gotta use to get it up. All right, so we got this right here. This is cool. This is called a ratchet strap. It's really cool, makes some really cool noises. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's pretty cool. Yep, all right, we got that. Oh, check this out. This is the seat. It's the rope swing. Oh, that's gonna be totally fun. And then we've got, of course, the cable, right? And we even got a safety cable. That's a tiny one there. And this really cool long thing, it's called the stop spring. Haha, that's gonna be awesome to install. And then we've got all our parts right here. We've got these cool little bolts here. We've got this right here. This is cool. This is called a carabiner. Cool. Do that and latch it on something, and then we can twist this little thing. And there you go, and it doesn't go nowhere. It locks it in place. Oh, and look at this. This is the handle that you hold on to. It's like a rocket ship. Whoa, that's totally awesome. Totally awesome. Well, we gotta add some special tools. All right, so let's see what we got in here. Oh, this is really cool. Of course, we gotta have some scissors. Oh, yep. We gotta cut off some zip ties, open some things, and then this is really cool. This is called a socket wrench. It makes some cool noise too. Oh, can you hear it? That's really cool. And we got one more. Oh, there it is. What is this? Yes, it's our wrench. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. All right, well, let's get to it. First thing we gotta have is our ratchet strap. All right. Oh, this is gonna be cool. And we gotta go up really high in the tree so we can put it up. So that's why we got our wonderful ladder here. Make sure it's sturdy. Up. There it is, perfect. All right, let's go all the way up here. We're getting there. We're getting there. Oh yeah. All right, now we've got to swing this around the tree. See if Handyman Hal can do this. There it is, just like that. Oh yeah. Oh, this is gonna be totally awesome. Have you ever been on a zip line before? You can go really fast with some of these things. Get on there. Just like that. Next part is the other strap of our ratchet strap. And this actually connects to the wire that we zip line across. How cool is that? So let's crawl right back up here on our trusty ladder. All right, we gotta get right inside this ratchet strap here. Slip that in there. Slip that in there. Come on, get in there, little fella. Almost. I think we got it. Oh, yeah, there it is, just like that. I think that's gonna be good there. And we just do this right here. Isn't that an awesome sound? Oh, that's really, really cool. All right, I think we're good to go. Now, we can move our ladder out of the way. And we can work on the wire. Oh, this is really cool. Oh, this is 160 feet. This is gonna be long. So we need our scissors. We're gonna snip these off there. Save our trash, we don't wanna litter. Oh yeah, there we go. Just that one more. There we go, awesome, sweet. Put our scissors back. All right, so we got that one. Oh, we need our safety cable. We lay that one down. We got some more of these to cut off. All right, so let's get our scissors back out one more time. Get it in there. There it is. One more there. There we go. And the last one. Got it. Awesome. All right, so we got our main cable and our safety cable. We are going to connect them to our ratchet strap. All right, cool. So this is really, really cool. This is a really cool bolt. Check that out. It's black and it's red. We're gonna twist it off there a little bit. Awesome. We're gonna connect it to our ratchet strap. Get it in there. Sweet. Got that there. We're gonna slide our wires just over that little red bolt there. We're gonna slide it right, almost. Let's do it this way. There we go. Just like that right there. Just that simple. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Nice and snug and tight. Don't want it to come apart. All right, sweet. Now, we just gotta run our line all the way down to the other side. So we got it. Let's go. Woo! That is a long zip line. Whew. Gotta take a breath. Now, got some cool stuff here. We've got our safety spring. This is what makes us stop, right? It's gonna be really, really cool. And then, we've got our handle. We've gotta put these on. So we've gotta go all the way back down there and string it all the way back down here to this side. So come on, let's go. It's a long way. So we got to install our safety spring. So we can start on this one end right here. And we got the end of the wire. Stick it in. We'll feed it through. Check that out. That's really cool. It's almost like a slinky. Those are cool. All right. I think we got it. Oh, yeah, we do. We got it. Oh, we're out the other end. All right, so let's put this other stopper on here. Slide that one in just like that. There we go. We got that one on there. And then we got to slide that all the way down there to the other end. But we're going to put the handlebars on first. Just like this right here. We go slide it right in there. Just like that. And they're ready to go. I think, yep, there we go. So let's go all the way to the other end with our safety spring. Come on. Oh. Well, we've got it to the end. So now, all we gotta do is go attach this one to the other tree. So come on, let's go all the way back down. Let's go. Whew. Well, we made it back to this side. And here's the tree. We're gonna wrap the wire around it and we'll be ready to go. But I left my ladder all the way down there. I'll be right back. Here we go. Got it. Well, the ground is a little unlevel, so we can't put the ladder out, so we're just gonna lean up against the tree. Just like this. Oh, that's great. So let's get our wire right here. We got this in. And let's see if we can get this all the way up here. And we gotta throw it around the tree as high as we can and try and catch it. Let's see. Let's see. One more time. 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 There it is. I got it. All right. It'll take a little effort. There you go. So now all we got to do is attach our little bolts to these wires and we'll be ready to go. So let's do it. All right. Well, we got it right around the tree. We got some of our bolts on. We got one more bolt left to do. We're almost there. One more turn. Oh, there it is. All right. Well, now we get to attach the really cool rope. See, all right. So you've got a carabiner. We're gonna attach it right onto the end there, just like that. And attach it right onto the handle up here. Oh, yep. And we gotta make sure that we twist this blue little latch here. That way it doesn't open and close. And it's ready to go. Oh, that's awesome. So now we just gotta go tighten it up and then we can test it out. Let's go. Oh, all right. Well, we're back down here where our ratchet strap is. So all we gotta do is just tighten it. We'll be ready to go. So let's tighten this thing up. Oh yeah, this is gonna be totally awesome. Oh, it's working, it's working. It's a cool sound too, ain't it? Oh yeah. Oh, it's getting there. It's almost there. One more. I think that's it. We're gonna lock it in place. And we're ready to go. Come on, let's go try it out. All right, my friends. Well, as you can see, it's been raining. That's all right. It's kind of stopped. We gotta finish our zip line. But we got a problem. Look, it's stuck in a tree. We put it right through where a tree is. But Handyman has a plan. I got the tool just for it. Here it is. Oh, it's my sawzall. This is gonna work great. Here we go. Oh yeah. Almost there. Oh yeah. Almost there. Oh, that was awesome. All right, my friends. This is my friend Jet. Hey, Jet. Oh, and he gets to be the first tester on the zip line. Are you ready? All right, well, let's go. Here we go. You ready? Woo!
I'm on a zip line, and
Let's do this. Little help. Little help, please. Hello? Hello? Oh, wow, my friends. We've had such an amazing time here at camp. And getting to be the official handyman of Camp Robinson. Oh, it's been awesome. Favorite part is the fact that I've met some really cool friends. And we've had some really cool times together.
Handyman Hal, please report to the boys' restroom. Bring a plunger, stall 7.
Well, till next time, we'll see you later.
Hal's a handyman. A handyman that's got a plan. Hal's a handyman. If he can't fix it, no one can. Hal has tools today. Gonna repair it right away. Hal, he's our pal. Come and play with Handyman Hal.
Handyman Hal is your most trusted handyman for all your repair needs. Need an amazing lemonade stand? How about help with learning shapes and colors? Trouble fueling your airplane? Handyman Hal can do it all. No job is too big or small for Handyman Hal. Whether your car wash needs repair or you need to get rid of some expired groceries, you can count on Handyman Hal. Give him a call today. The handyman that's got a plan. Handyman Hal. Handyman Hal is a fun kids show, and we want to say thanks for watching.